Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is supposed to be day, 26 of my Tag-A-Day series, but, no, 27th, I don't know. Anyways, regardless, this was my tag that was supposed to be up on Saturday. I had such a wonderful time with family for the holidays. My son actually got here last Tuesday. My daughter came on Wednesday, and it has been nonstop fun. Like, we've played games, we talked, we watched some movies. I enjoyed myself so much. My heart is so full. And during that time, I did not craft, I did not make videos, and therefore, I am very far behind on several projects for the upcoming week and whatnot. So I have made the decision that this will be my last tag. I'm 5 days short of making it all month, but that's okay. I also already put away all the supplies for this. I know this image is from the Greeting Farm's latest big stamp kit, Anya and Ian. The paper was basic gray Max and Whiskers, and it's a Scrappy Boy tag set. All the information is in the description box below for what I used. I think he turned out adorable. He does have glossy accents on his glasses. I used those Ohuhus for my, and Copics for coloring. I love the texture. It goes the hair, just cardstock on the back, and then the baker's twine. So yeah, so there is my last tag for my November 2023 Tag-A-Day series. Over the next week, I will I'll put together a video sharing all the tags that I created, and I will also have a video up sharing all the just cards that I made, which are mostly Newton's and Nooks cards for the Inky Paws challenge, but I'll have those up sometime this week. Like I said, I'm really behind on a lot of commitments that I need to get through, so I'm going to work on that. And then I also have decided, because next year I was going to do, like every other month, I was going to do like something every day. Decided we're just going to do themes for the month, and I'll see what I can get out, because while I enjoy doing it, it is a very big commitment, and when things come up and I want to spend time with like my family or whatnot, I want to take time to do that. So at least I made it almost all to the way to the end of November, and until my next video, I hope you will go do something for yourself and go get crafty. And like I said, I'll be back this week with a couple more videos. And thanks so much for all the kindness and the support and the comments during the month of November for my tags. It really warmed my heart. And I really hope I did inspire you a little bit to make some tags. All right, have a great day. Bye.